everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I'm back with, I don't know if I would consider this a part 2, but more projects that are using some of the tailored expressions stuff that I shared in my previous video. So I told you guys I had a bunch of hearts left over, and I still have quite a few hearts left over from making these cards. So what to do? So I decided that I would try to find ways to incorporate those items into some other crafting projects. So I have used, not helping me meet my goal of using stamps and things I have not used yet, but I just thought this went really well, this stamp set from CC Designs, which I love. It is called, I don't know what it's called. I have no idea. It doesn't have a name on it, but I love it. It's super cute. And it has this unicorn girl, and then it has this little girl holding the cloud with little hearts falling down. So I used it for this card right here. So what I did was I just added a few of those hearts around, and then I colored in my little girl with Copics. And for the hearts, I did a little bit of glossy accents on the hearts, actually anything red. So on the hearts and on her bow, and it's really shiny and cute. And then I used one of these sentiment strips. It says, "You are simply fabulous." So it does not have to be like a Valentine's. It could be a birthday card, a thank you card. It could be a Valentine's card. You can send it to a girlfriend for Valentine's Day. And I think it's really cute and fun. And then I got this. I saw somebody, I don't know, do cards using this die called Gnome. And I guess, I saw it being used more towards like Christmas, I guess. And I guess it has a Christmas feel in a way, but I loved it. I wanted it, so I got it. And I used it for this card, and I think it works even though it's not Christmas. You make my heart happy. I did the same sort of thing. I used the hearts here as a background, and then I colored in my my gnome. I stamped it in white, and I colored it in. And then for this one, I cut out in black, so it's trimmed in black. Now, when you die cut this, each is a separate piece. So the nose, the beard, the clothes, the hat, it's all different. It all separates as a different piece. So you could cut this out in different colors. Like you don't have to color it in. You could cut it out in different colors, or cut it out, some of it in different colors, or on pattern paper, and color some of it in. And so I like that. I didn't realize it did that until I cut it out. And so here are my cards, and I really love how they came out. I think they're really pretty and fun. I still have a bunch of hearts left. I don't know if I'm going to try and make some more cards where I add those somehow, or if I just save those hearts for like my journal and things like that. But really, I got a lot of mileage out of this stuff. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.